Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the ninth question of exercise 12.1. So it says an observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eye is 45 degrees. Now it's asking the height of palm tree. So let's assume that this is the palm tree and this is the observer. Okay, so he is 13.2 meters away from the palm tree. Now he's also telling that the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the palm tree is equal to 45 degrees. So this would be 45 degrees and his height is 1.8 meters. Now he's telling us to find the height of the palm tree. Let the height of palm tree be equal to AB. Next, let the boy be CD. Okay, then this point be E. So we have a right angle triangle at E. Now to find the height of the palm tree, we have to find the length of AE plus length of CD, because length of EB equal to length of CD. So if I add both of the lengths, I will get the length of palm tree. So here we have 45 degrees and this is 13.2 meters because both are same. So we have 45 degrees, we have length of adjacent side, we need to find the length of opposite side. Therefore now the trigonometric ratio which has both opposite side and adjacent side is tan theta. So tan D is equal to opposite side AE by adjacent side DE. Next, tan D equal to 45 degrees. So tan 45 is equal to, we need to find the length of AE by DE equal to 13.2. Now tan 45 equal to 1. Therefore A1 is equal to AE by 13.2. Therefore if I multiply, I will get AE's length equal to 13.2 meters. Now we found the length of AE, and to find the length of palm tree we need to add the length of EB. Now we know that length of EB is equal to length of CD is equal to 1.8 meters. Therefore the length of palm tree, the height of palm tree, I would say height of palm tree is equal to AE plus EB, which is equal to 13.2 plus 1.8, which is equal to 15 meters. That's it. So if an observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from palm tree, the angle of elevation of top of the tree from the eye is equal to 45 degrees, then the height of palm tree equal to 15 meters. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.